private property. Oh God, guys, I'm actually afraid, guys. So me I go back down the hill. You good?
You good?
Yeah. Wait. Hold on. So how them I do it and me can't do it? How them I do it?
Welcome back to the Drama Queen Show. It's your girl Cherry, and we are out here in Jamaica, guys. It's my birthday today. I'm supposed to go ATV bike riding, and I'm late. I don't even think I'm going to make it, guys. Yes, I'm that late. If I don't make it, guys, I still had a blast yesterday, but I really want to do it because I have never done anything like this before. So I'm out here on an adventure in Jamaica, guys, for my birthday. Stick around, come along with me. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's see if I'll make it to the ATV bike riding today, guys.
Okay, guys, I'm supposed to be heading to Dirt Adventures. Don't follow me, guys. I am trotting in these bushes all by myself. I'm gonna go up there, guys. Oh, I'm afraid, guys. I'm actually afraid. Oh God, guys, I'm actually afraid, guys. So me I go back down the hill. Go wait, guys. It's a private property, no trespassing. See the sign there? Private property, no trespassing. So that kind of got me scared. So because of that reason, I'm turning back. However, we have some nice view going on down here. I would just live up here. This is actually St. Mary, some place called Boscobel, and I'm gonna go back down at the bottom and wait for my nephews who are coming from Portland. I'm not taking the risk and do this by myself, guys. I got scared. I don't get scared easily, but I got scared. So let's see, guys. I'll come back and let you know if I made it to Dirt Adventures.
The map, move map up there.
Me take a wrong left turn, man. I say right, then me did there, me go take a wrong one. I go up in a bush.
Let's see one roundabout.
Alright.
Let's try to come back the next time.
Alright, may I come? Well, guys, I kind of figured I was going up the wrong hill and I made the wrong left turn. So I'm on my way now to the right place. So we are actually gonna do the ATV.
Turn left.
I don't know where I was going, but this is where I need to go. Dirt Adventures.
Turn the angle to your left. Turn it to your left. Yes, keep it there. Now you're gonna lean your upper body to the left with the bike. Likewise, turn to your right. Lean your upper body to the right. Alright, straighten up. So the turn and lean, it'll keep the bike balanced around corners so you don't tilt or flip over around corners, alright? That is your brake. Wanna stop or slow down, going too fast, anything like that, it's straight for your brake. No matter what, don't try to jump off or put your foot on the ground, alright? So my advice is to take your time, start off small. Once you get the angle of it, you can go as fast as you like. The key thing to know, you can't get some brake. at the same time. Same like driving. So remember, when you move off, I press the gas, you have a release off the brake. Once you come into a complete stop, make sure you release off the gas and just hold on to the brake only. So you don't want to do two of them same time. It's either one or the other. Alright? Any questions? So you never get it?
Yeah,
Perfect.
Gas, brake, turn lean.
Yeah, man.
How many are so far?
One good man. Keep your right. Hold the handles firm, alright?
Yeah.
Going through the hills and valleys. Up in the hills and valleys. Right, right.
Oh my god.
That is it.
Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Wow. No, it's a lot of work. Boy.
Yeah. Most females could do this with them first, right? Hold on. It's a bad. Very good.
Take over?
Let me turn that. Hold it now. Alright, we'll take some pictures right here on this bike, alright?
Me tired, me I tell you now. Me tired. It's like a full workout. Alright, picture time. Wow.
Should I catch a view, you know? That yep? That was an hurry up.
Put her on it, man. You see how she
Dirt
nice?
adventure with these lovely people. Tour guide here, Jesse. Yes.
Book
Bad
your
rider.
next trip. Book your next trip.
With the bad rider right there.
Oh my
Go give me shirt,
gosh.
make you work up here now.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah, do my job better than me.
Move on, good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man, none of the best. So what we do? Stand up on the bike? I'll take some single picture with you alone first. Dirty. Oh. Well, let me take off that bag. Pino. Oh. Oh.
Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel. Rooks is currently in the zone. That's Rooks right there. You know, I think.
You know, take the foot off of the brake, right? You the pan back the brake there?
Yeah, man. Go on, father, man. Go on, man. Don't stop. Don't look back here, man. She's quite fine.
Why? Why? Go on. You good?
You good?
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Alright.
You good?
Yes,
You sure?
yes, me sure.
Up on the break?
My breath now, wall.
No, man, no, no,
Jaja.
no.
Jaja.
Don't hold it on the stiff, eh?
Alright, alright. So how them a do it and me can't do it? How them a do it?
No, they say I have to take some whole heap of muscle. So that's why
Don't
I
stiff.
make it do. Ah man, you're good man. You're good man, just don't stick up there. Let me steer and go. Let go your brake now, father. Front man, let go your brake. Let go your brake and go on. Let go your brake and go on.
This is the best birthday ever. Alright. Tell the people I want to come.
One dirt and the one dirt adventure man room.
One dirt adventure. I'm out.